back. So as you can see in the first part of the video, my transfer case is making some clanking, moving around sounds, and people on the interwebs and people I've talked to are like, it could be your transfer case or your transmission mount. So I went and bought energy suspension, new transmission case, transmission mount. Here's the part number. Sorry. Right there, and I got red, just kind of, you can choose red or black, and I was like, I don't want it, let's make it a little flashy, so we'll get some red. So we're gonna put her on. Hopefully we get her out. I'm kind of scared that, because I've heard of the bottom mounts on the stock one kind of get stuck in there, so these two ones on the stock truck or stock mount, they kind of get stuck, and then the stud will just spin. Then you have to cut it off, and that would suck because I didn't bring my saw. That's what I'm thinking. I forgot, dang it. So cross your fingers. But anyways, so here is the mount. You'll just go like this, you hook it on, and then these are the new bolts that go on the bottom. So yeah, so goes big washer, locking washer, and then the bolt goes in there. And this is a 14 millimeter, so this job just requires a 14 and 15 is what I heard. So I'll let you know, update you if it's not. So let's get to it. Hopefully everything comes off, and we're good to go. We're under here. It's 15 millimeter right there on top and this side, and then down here you would see two 15 millimeters. So those are the ones I'm worried about, these two bottom ones. Those ones shouldn't be too bad, but we'll see. I sprayed a bunch of PB Blaster on it, so let's get her undone. So I got these out pretty easily. I just used my little impactor here, got up in there and did it, and I'm pretty sure the PB Blaster helped a ton. And then I just got a little wrench. So this side, the driver's side, is not terrible, but I got a little wrench in there and just, you know, just turned it, whatever, and it still goes. So it's loose, but make sure you lift up the transmission somewhere with a piece of wood and a jack. This one's gonna be a pain because there's like barely any room, so I'm gonna go the other side. And then yeah, that's not that bad, so for me. So we'll see how it is. Yeah, but there you go, that's how you do it. Out, just lifted it up right there with the board, so I had to have the even pressure on the transmission. So here's the old one. It's pretty worn out. There's not good looking, so I'm sure there's a crack right there, but definitely excited to get this on here. So they say to put the mount on the transmission first and then slowly lower down until you can get the bolts into the bottom piece right here. So I'm gonna try that, but yeah, let's get her in. Well, she's in. I don't even see her, but yeah, she's in there. So let's go take it for a test drive and get her all, see how she looks, or how she handles is more like it. So let's go drive her. 8 hours later. So got her in, got the transmission mount right there installed. Works awesome. So my truck still kind of bounces, or does that little thing, but did some work on my traction bars, and they were a little loose, but that's baby. But this still kind of does it. I don't know what, but the mount was pretty easy to install. Just make sure you PB blast it, but other than that, people say you need to change the engine mounts too, because with the new transmission mount being poly instead of like the little rubber or whatever, it can kind of break some stuff. But I don't know, people say yes and no, so definitely gonna change those out anyways, just to change it. But yeah, super easy. I'll put down a link below to grab some, but definitely gonna feel like a little bit more sturdiness and stiffness once I put it on. It's not that vibrated. I don't know, it's kind of hard to explain, but you gotta get it and then replace it, because if you have it, you'll definitely notice the difference. But yeah, I'll put down a link below to grab one.